So, good morning to each one of us. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Let us thank God for this another day of His goodness. Another day of His faithfulness in our lives. Even though life is hard, life is difficult, we have so many trials. But then the Lord is faithful and He is good. His goodness is not dependent on our situation. His faithfulness is not based on how well is our day or how bad is our day. His faithfulness remains kahit ano pa man ang panahon. Sabi nga sa kanta, ano mang maging panahon, ano mang pagkakataon, ano mang maging sitwasyon, sabi doon, ikay aking pupurihin. Yes, because our God is good, our God is faithful, and our God is great. So my encouragement for you today is to trust God. Believe that He will never change, and just trust God in whatever the process you are going through right now. Just put your trust in Him, and I know and I believe the Lord will help you. The Lord will not leave you nor forsake you. That's His promise for His children. So let us thank God today. Have a wonderful day, guys. Shalom.